presenting the Hyundai 2018 Elantra SEL. If you are looking for a first-rate auto, this one could be yours today. Enjoy these notable features: 6 speakers, AM/FM radio, Sirius XM, radio, AM/FM HD Sirius XM MP3 display audio, air conditioning, rear window defroster, power steering, power windows, remote keyless entry and steering wheel mounted audio controls. If you are looking for a solid pre-owned car, this might be the one. Low mileage is an important factor in your purchase, and this vehicle delivers a low odometer reading. Let us put you in the driver's seat today. Call or click to schedule a test drive.